Hi, this is the review on the f4d. This is a pretty good gun also. It has a retractable stock. Slide out like that. Yeah. It's mostly plastic. Besides the parts, all plastic. The one thing that kind of downed me about this gun was I thought it was a clip bed because you had the trigger to push out the clip. But yes, the clip does come out, but it is not the clip. It is the battery. If you can see right there's the cords. So I was hoping it would be a clip bed, but it wasn't. Sometimes the battery does go in kind of hard. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it just goes in nice, and sometimes it goes in hard. But it's just going in hard. Second, I'm putting it in. This doesn't want to go. Well, I'm just gonna have to I'll use it like this for a while. It says safe, auto, and auto, but it only is auto. This gun, the stock can actually come off of it. You just pull it out a little bit like that, push that, slide this off, and the gun is shorter, but it has a lot of front end weight, so I would actually recommend it, unless if you're using the forearm grip, which is pretty good. The sling mounts are good, really good actually. One here, but you have to have the stock for it. It is gravity fed from the scope, which wouldn't really do good for aiming anyways. Here's how it shoots, and the battery's going to get dead also. The same on the AK-47. So, like I said, it's full plastic. This front part of the barrel can actually come off, but I never did because I'm afraid it's going to break. You just slide that forward right there, that cylinder, and then this part can come off, but you have to take some screws out somewhere, and I don't really want to do it because I'm afraid I'm going to break it. And I got this for about 60 bucks. It's pretty good. I use it for close range, but I'm just gonna look at it, and when the stock's not on it, and that's about it.